In this quick tutorial, you'll discover how to change your Facebook cover photo without making a post about it. Sometimes you want to switch your cover photo quickly without notifying all of your friends. Let's dive into the steps. Open the Facebook mobile app and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Tap on your name at the top to navigate to your profile. Next, tap on the camera button at the bottom right corner of your current Facebook cover photo. Tap on Upload Photo. Select the photo you want to set as your new cover photo and tap Done. Then tap Save at the top right to apply the change. Now refresh your profile by dragging it down. Scroll down and you'll see a post saying that you update the cover photo. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the post, then select Hide from Profile. Confirm by tapping Hide. This will hide the post from your timeline, ensuring that no one else will see it. However, your new cover photo will still be visible on your Facebook profile. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and have a great day!